First mana buff, Rudy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit.
Dragon's Dock. It's a dodge. Christian season.
Wait. Huh.
Hmm?
No.
No. Cone.
Aussie.
This can be a damage pool.
Oh. Yeesh.
Nice.
God, why can't these elementals spawn the same place every time? Oh my god.
Christian move.
Window shop.
Elf out. And soaks. Carnage.
Think she'll be getting melee.
Yeah. Do socks.
Aussie, take me to you.
Sorry, what?
That's okay, sorry. I was looking for a fairy.
What happened?
Rings.
Rings, yeah.
But I don't know when you get it in, I have to make sure it's actually on you.
Should be. Add from, or rings from hands. Got it now, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Right, rings. And Fidel's Roar. One right here. That boss. Shouts. Darkness now. And I'm SMZ. Careful now.
It's gonna
Frontals.
take a lot of them.
Sam is ready. Health potion, Mike.
Rings.
Some rings, yeah. Just one more hit. Right, good shit. Bringing the out a little bit away from the fires just to get clear. Okay, that's better. Just remember to let the next one go as well. And kick. Perfect. See if it works. Here comes soaks. Okay, just do it on the sides. Christian and Tiger out. I'll get Elf. No. Just come to yourself.
What else? Watch out, it's fully.
Yeah.
It's
I'm
bigger
swirling
than
under. Okay. We can rest Elf again if we need to. Okay. Managed it. That's good. Come rest again.
In region 10, you're probably fine.
Yeah. It's gonna cost anyway. It's cool.
I'm making a portal into the
Yeah. Go quickly.
There's a portal to
Bring
the
time.
ice area.
Bring balls out. Okay, good shit.
Okay, second post.
Okay. IPI Sammy, right? Sammy, you're the blast?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go.
We have orbs in 2 seconds. Just make sure you stand back a bit.
Yeah,
You have a
yeah,
little
yeah,
range.
yeah.
You can
Control
you have
now. Just dodge. Some mana. And dodge from the odds. Right, let's see if you can solo, do it. Otherwise, okay, Booty come in. Yeah. Inside here. Tank, so are you fine on the edge?
Yeah, we just need to swap. Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Let's put in the portal a bit.
We got double
Okay,
orbs
just
now.
be super ready to dodge now, yeah? Yeah, dodge. FQ rally.
I'll play around you, Donkey, just dodge.
Use defensives if you're not sure. Come on.
Come.
14 seconds to enrage, just blast it.
Yeah. Do you have a Guardian for Amri right now? Sure.
I can MZ the group.
Everyone use defenses. All defenses.
Yeah. Solid these.
on.
And Darkness.
Yes!
Yes!
GG!